Hello, today I'm going to be showing you what Usora Express owner-operators are enjoying as a part of their lease. We came up with an app and this is exclusive to us. It's made from scratch. Emra made it all by himself, and this app has helped us and the drivers as well to be more productive and be more up to date as far as the technology goes. So let me show you what this app can do for drivers and for us. Here in the background, what you can see is what app looks like if you're on your desktop. So you can use the app, but you can also use it in a browser as a driver. But this is an admin view. We have a little bit more options here, but it kind of looks very similar. And I'll be showing you how it looks on the phone because drivers are going to be using this app mostly on the phone. When you first click on the app, you will, as a driver, see announcements. This is where we like to post announcements. We used to do it through email or text messages, but this is, in my opinion, the best way because sometimes drivers will not check their emails for a long time, but here they have to because this is where they're going to have their pickup information and rate confirmations. Now, once you as a driver log in, if there's an important issue or an important update that we wanted to tell you about, we would post it here in announcements. For example, here we had some issues with signatures for the BOLs, and I just wanted to share this to everyone just to make sure that all drivers are on the same page, that we will have to have signatures from the receivers. And here on the bottom, we do have some options that we as admins see, but I'll be showing you what a driver can see. A driver will be able to see a lot of things on this app. The driver will be able to have their own information for the truck, trailer, and the driver, along with expiration days for the medical card, for driver's license, DOT inspections, all of that. And then also we upload documents for DOT inspection, for the IRP, and as a driver you can access those documents from the app. You can download them to your phone. You can see when something is expiring, and then even, for example, if your driver's license is about to expire and you renew your driver's license, then you can just upload it here in the app. You don't have to send it to us. You can just upload it here. It's very convenient. The next thing, every load that we take, we will upload the load information into the app along with the original rate confirmation from the broker, with all of that information included anyway, including the rate. But the nice thing about us putting in manually your pickup information and your pickup numbers, times, all of that, is that you don't have to go to your email when you're at the pickup. You need to find a correct address or correct pickup number. You don't have to go to your email, look for that email for the rate confirmation and wait for the document to load. You have everything available here in the app. And then you can just click on the pickup address and the app will take you to Google Maps, and it will give you directions, and you can start your GPS and your navigation as well. It will also give you in Google Maps, and I'll show you that in a minute, it will show you the pickup address and delivery on Google Maps. Another thing you can do is you can view your driver settlements. All of your settlements will, and fuel and other important documents as far as the pay goes, will be in that tab for the settlements, and you can view your pay and you can download the settlement as a PDF document to your phone or to your computer from the app. You can also, when you're finished delivering a load, you can go to that specific load and upload the bill of lading. You can select it from the gallery on your phone, or you can take a picture directly from the app and upload your POD there, so you don't have to text it to us or to email it to us, and it will automatically be assigned to that rate confirmation and to that load. So when we do invoices, we have everything together right there. We connected it to our ELD Motive, and we can see where the drivers are, and you can as well see your location. There is a tab where you as a driver can go and see all your loads from the past and the current load as well, so that will help you a lot. Now let me walk you through all of that. So this here is where you have all your loads, and they're separated by week. So right now this is week 42, and then if you go back you have week 41, etc. So when you click on your load, for example this one here, then you will see all your pickup information, the rate, loaded miles, empty miles. You can even calculate distance here when you click on it. When you click on pickup address, it will take you to Google Map, and it will give you the pickup address right away. So when we go back, same thing with delivery address, and you can go to delivery address here, and now it shows the pickup address and delivery on the maps as well. You can see that, you can zoom in, and it will give you travel time as well. Now here on the bottom, you can click here where the blue letters are showing the order confirmation. This is the actual rate confirmation. You can click on it and see the original rate confirmation and download it to your phone. And then down here, you can upload an image. You can choose a file. It can be a picture or a PDF file. You can upload it to this app. If you want to upload a picture, you can click here. You can go to media picker, or you can go to your camera, and then here you can take a picture of the document and then upload it. So this here on the bottom, this is what we see. We can mark it completed. We can create an invoice from this load, but that's only for admins. And here we have settlements. You can go to your settlements. These are all your settlements right here, and you can click on blue letters down there and then just download it to your phone. So this is one of the many perks that we offer here for owner-operators, and this has helped us a lot save time and money, and it makes it so much easier for drivers, and we are adding more stuff to it. We are always looking for new things to add. Like I said, Emro built this app from scratch. If you're interested in coming to Usora Express, if you have your own semi-truck, you can call us, you can email us, and there is a website in the description of this video, and you can click on it and learn more. Thanks for watching. This is Enis from Never Stop Trucking.